My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink, oven and fridge. Next up is our double bed. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have eject, navigation, app connect and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, and just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.